Hi guys, to receive this SIEDiNLAR Solar Post Light, it's a 6-pack and comes with 4 modes. Each light, they are for vinyl plastic posts, and you can take them out as you can see, and you can also put them on wooden posts, which is quite nice. They are solar powered and have an actual long lifespan. It's with IP44 waterproof, and they have an easy installation. As I said, it's a pack of 6. They come all very well protected with lots of bubble wrap, stuff like that. Let's see, I'm gonna take 4 out so you can see them. I've already taken this out. You can, as you can see, take this part out and change the base. And in here you can select, well, you have access to the battery. Okay, you can select the 4 different light modes that it has. And what is nice is that they just require 4 hours of solar charge, so they can last all night long. And as you can see, you can select different modes. They have 4 modes. Right now this one is in charge, so we can't turn on, but as you can see here at the LEDs, you just turn it into the base like this and place it in the posts. It comes with also extra bases. The simple one, it's by 4x4 vinyl and PVC posts. This is 5x5 and 6x6. Okay, so they are really nice. So let's test one. I have one that is already charged, so let's see how they look. Okay, as you can see, it turns on when there's no light. Okay, so I'm gonna use this 4x4 vinyl and PVC base to attach it. I've had a simulation with a PVC post that will be installing and try them out. Okay. As you can see, I've already placed the base. I'm gonna turn this one, and turn it on. The white one, and place it like this. Okay. As you can see, it turns on. I'm gonna turn off the light to see how it looks. This is the first mode. As you can see, it's really nice that you can select it out. Let's see the second one. And like goes around. Let's see the other one. Like a warmer white, which is quite nice. Okay, and let's see the last one. Okay, it's also a moving warm white, which is quite nice. So as you can see, you can sell them on different bases, stuff like that, and they're really nice. Okay, easy to install, so they're great, perfect for outdoors in your house, for your patio. And I would really recommend that you can also put them on any post you want. So they are, well, perfect for your garden, the outside of your house, wherever you want to put them. So I would really recommend it. See ya.